Hey there, in this video we're looking at how to enter dates in Excel. Click on any empty cell where you want to enter your date. You'll see the cell gets highlighted with a border around it, showing it's selected and ready for input. Now, type your date using a recognizable format. Excel accepts common formats like 2/2 for February 2nd or 1/1/2015 if you want to specify a particular year. As you type, Excel watches what you're entering and tries to figure out if it's a date. You'll notice the date automatically aligns to the right side of the cell. This is different from regular text, which sits on the left, and it's Excel's way of telling you it's recognized your entry as a date value. If you type something like 2/2 without including a year, Excel assumes you mean the current year and will automatically display it as 2-Feb. The exact format depends on your system's regional date settings. Once you've typed your date, press Enter to confirm the entry. The date is now locked into the cell and stored as a proper date value. The selection will automatically move down to the next cell, ready for you to continue entering data. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. If your date entry stays left aligned instead of snapping to the right, that means Excel didn't recognize it as a date. Try retyping it using a format like month/day/year. If you want to change how the date looks after you've entered it, select the cell and press Ctrl+1 on Windows or Command+1 on Mac. That opens Format cells where you can choose different date formats. Long date, short date, or custom formats with different separators. That's everything you need to do.